there. My name is Melissa Webb, and I welcome you. Thank you for giving me a few moments of your time. Odds are, if you are watching this video, you are in search of a great writing program, and I hope that I've created exactly what you're looking for. My name is Melissa Webb. I am the owner and creator of Write on Webb. I'm also a published author and a podcast host, but my guess is that if you're here, you're more interested in my teaching experience. I have been teaching for 30 years. I have had 13 years, 14 years, somewhere in there as far as classroom experience goes. I also was a facilitator for a decade and a half at a charter school in San Diego. So I understand the homeschooling world. In fact, I understand the homeschooling world so much that I ended up homeschooling 2 of our 3 boys. So I even have a little homeschooling experience under my belt. And I have years and years and years of parenting experience. I do have 3 boys. This is an old picture. This is like 10 years ago because my baby right here is 17 now. So now I am following my passion, which is encouraging and exciting young writers to just realize they have a voice. So if you are trying to get your child to communicate on paper with your child's own unique voice, I want to share a program that may be the perfect fit for your family. Wow Writers Workshop. So as a vendor with your school, these are some of the programs that I offer. And the Wow Writers Workshop seems to be loved by families who want structure, but flexibility. Does that ring a bell for you? This might be just what you need. So it's broken into 2 bundles. You can either purchase the elementary writing bundle if you have 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders, or the middle school bundle if you have 6th, 7th, and 8th graders. Of course, you can even purchase both bundles, but we can talk about that later. Inside each of these bundles, your child is going to get all that he or she is going to need to learn for writing. Yes, everything that I have is actually standards based. And what do I mean by that? Well, every year students are expected to master certain skills, right? In math and science and history, in language arts. And they are then prepared and ready for the next school year that's coming up. So everything that I create when I write my curriculum is based on what children must know to move up to the next grade level. So you just know so this isn't fluff. This is core standard writing that my child's going to need for middle school, for high school, for college, and beyond. All of the lessons are prepared for you. How nice is that? Right? You don't have to go through the textbook and plan it all out. I've prepared the lessons. I've even organized monthly schedules for you. But like I mentioned, it is a self-paced program. And by that, I just mean you can go at any pace that works for you. Speed it up, slow it down. That's totally up to you. The other thing that's really special about the Wow Writers Workshop is the weekly workshop. So the weekly workshop is great for students to come and be with other students and share a portion of their work and get feedback every week. We look at students when they're working on their outline and we give them some feedback. When they're just starting their rough draft and they just want help with their introductory paragraph, we give them feedback. So if you just know that your child needs a little more interaction with the teacher, with other students, this is the program. As well, you're going to get a lot of support and encouragement from me and our community. Now, I would love to invite you to our parent orientation class, but odds are by the time you're watching this, it's come and gone. No worries. I did record it. So you can still watch this 30-minute informational, wonderful parent webinar that I did that will certainly help you decide, is this the right program for us? Now, where are you going to get access to that? I have this little helpful arrow here to point down to the description box on my YouTube channel. You'll find the link to this form right here, Wow Writers Workshop. You're just going to fill that out, click on watch the video, and you'll get access right away. And then I'll be able to follow up with you and see if you have any other questions, or if you want to schedule a time to meet with me online and let me know a little bit about your child, maybe some of the struggles that you're having. And I will let you know if I think that this program could be the answer, the thing that you've been wanting, the thing that you've been searching for. That is certainly my plan. So let's connect, go take a look at that video, and I will look forward to working with you in the very near future. Right on.